Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to Knowledge House Pro. Today, I have an important update for all diploma students under the Federal Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, FBISE. The official datesheet for the first annual exams 2025 has been released, and I'm going to walk you through all the key details. Spiral calendar. The exams are scheduled to start from the 30th of June and will continue until the 13th of August. Important instructions. Reach your center at least 30 minutes before the paper. Don't forget your roll number slip. Strictly follow the SOPs and rules set by FBISE. Bullseye. My tip. Start your revision now and make a study timetable. Focus more on technical subjects and solve past papers. Loudspeaker. If you have any questions about the datesheet or your subject schedule, feel free to comment below. I'll try my best to respond. Thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for all FBISE updates. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.